giving directions.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
I am looking for the bus stop.
The bus stop is not far from here.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Of course.
Thank you.
Walk straight down this street.
Okay.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Yes, that is correct.
What will I see there?
You will see a small coffee shop.
I see.
The bus stop is next to the coffee shop.
Great. How long does it take to walk there?
About 5 minutes.
That is easy.
Yes, it is very close.
I also need to find the train station.
The train station is a little farther away.
Can you give me directions?
Sure.
Thank you very much.
From the bus stop, continue straight ahead.
Okay.
Then cross the bridge.
Cross the bridge.
Yes, the train station is on your right.
Wonderful. I think I can find it now.
Do you have a map on your phone?
Yes, I do.
Great. That will help too.
Thank you for your kindness.
You are welcome. Have a safe trip. Asking for room service.
Hello, this is room 308.
Good afternoon. Room service? How may I help you?
I would like to order some food.
Certainly.
What do you have today?
We have sandwiches, pasta, salad, and soup.
I would like a chicken sandwich.
Okay.
I would also like a small salad.
No problem.
Can I have a bottle of water too?
Of course.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
That is fine.
Would you like anything else?
Do you have dessert?
Yes, we have chocolate cake.
That sounds good.
Would you like one slice?
Yes, please.
Your order is a chicken sandwich, a salad, water, and chocolate cake.
That is correct.
The total is $20.
Okay.
Would you like to pay now or when the food arrives?
I will pay when it arrives.
No problem.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I am looking forward to the meal.
We will bring it to your room soon.
Great.
Have a pleasant stay.
Thank you very much. Boarding a plane.
Good afternoon. Welcome aboard.
Good afternoon.
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Your seat is 14A.
Where is that seat?
Walk straight down the aisle.
Okay.
It is on the left side near the window.
Great. I like window seats.
That is wonderful.
Is the flight on time today?
Yes, everything is on schedule.
Good to hear.
Do you have any carry-on bags?
Yes, I have one small bag.
You can place it in the overhead bin.
Thank you.
Please keep your phone in airplane mode during the flight.
I will do that.
Have you flown before?
Yes, but not very often.
No problem. We are here to help.
Thank you.
The flight will take about 2 hours.
That is not too long.
We will serve drinks during the flight.
Nice.
Please fasten your seatbelt after you sit down.
Of course.
We will be departing soon.
I'm excited for the trip.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you very much.
Riding the bus.
Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Good morning.
Where would you like to go today?
I would like to go to Central Park.
Sure, the bus goes there.
That is great.
Do you need a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket?
I need a round-trip ticket.
Okay, the ticket is $5.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is your ticket.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Is this my first stop?
No, it is about 10 minutes away.
Okay, I will wait.
Are you visiting the park today?
Yes, I want to walk and relax.
That sounds nice.
Is the park busy today?
Not very busy. It is a quiet morning.
That is good to hear.
Please keep your ticket with you.
Sure, I will keep it safe.
Would you like a window seat?
Yes, please.
There is one available near the front.
Great, I will sit there.
We're getting close to the park now.
Thank you for telling me.
The next stop is Central Park.
Perfect. This is my stop.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Have a great day too.
Going to the park.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing today?
I do not have any plans.
Would you like to go to the park?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Great.
What time should we go?
How about 10 o'clock?
That works for me.
Wonderful.
What do you want to do there?
I want to walk around and enjoy the weather.
I like that idea.
We can also sit by the lake.
That sounds relaxing.
Do you want to bring some snacks?
Yes, I can bring some sandwiches.
Great. I will bring some juice.
Perfect.
Is the park far from your house?
No, it is only 15 minutes away.
That is nice.
Should we invite some friends?
Maybe next time.
Okay,
Today can be a quiet day.
I agree.
The weather looks beautiful.
Yes, the sky is very clear.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Let's meet at the park entrance.
Sounds good.
See you at 10.
See you soon.